Korsinacom review. Is Korsina legit or a scam? Korsinacom review. Is Korsina legit or a scam? Online shopping for trendy fashion can be tempting, and Korsinacom promises stylish clothes at affordable prices. But is it a legitimate store, or is it just another scam website? Most people get this wrong by assuming that all flashy online fashion stores are safe. The surprising truth is that Korsinacom shows several warning signs typical of scam websites. Customer reviews are scarce, and many reports indicate delayed shipments, poor quality products, or lack of customer support. Their website design may look professional, but that doesn't guarantee legitimacy. You won't believe what happens next. Users attempting to contact support often experience long delays or no response. Payment may go through, but the product might never arrive, or the quality may not match the pictures online. Scammers often use this tactic to lure buyers with too good to be true deals. To stay safe, always check for verified reviews, a physical address, secure payment options, and clear return policies. Consider using well-known platforms with buyer protection rather than taking a risk on unknown websites. In conclusion, Korsinacom carries a high risk of being a scam. While the website may appear professional, customer feedback and missing support channels indicate you should be cautious. Stick to trusted online retailers to ensure your purchases are safe, your money is protected, and you avoid unnecessary headaches.